What's up everybody, Jordan here from Tech Talk Today. I'm back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you the Sony over-ear MDR XBT950B1 wireless headphones with mic. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so if you want to buy these headphones, go to bestbuy.ca and they'll cost you $250. And so, let's read the overview. Listen to your favorite tunes in wireless comfort with these over-ear headphones from Sony. The 40mm drivers deliver rich, balanced audio, and the extra bass button gives the low end an instant boost when you really want to feel your music kick. They offer up to 18 hours of wireless playback and include an optional auxiliary cable. So they have Bluetooth with convenient NFC pairing for if you're using an Android device like me. Lets you easily connect to your compatible device and enjoy wireless music. Included 1.2mm audio cable with stereo mini plug, lets you connect to non-Bluetooth devices and enjoy wired audio. Yeah, so let's get into these headphones. Alright, so here's the box. Sony MDR XBT950B1, extra bass, wireless, NFC and Bluetooth, and you can get the Headphones Connect app for iOS or Android, and hands-free calling with HD voice, voice assistant function, so Google Assistant or Siri, depending on your device. Yeah, let's get these open. So, super nice box. Stuff on the back. Nothing really worth reading again. Slide these open. Open up this thing, and you get the headphones, which we'll put to the side for now. And then in this folder pouch, you get some instruction manuals, nothing exciting. And then on the other side, you get a couple cables. Let's get these open. Beast mode that open. So you get 3.5mm auxiliary for wired listening, and micro USB for charging these headphones. Yeah, so let's throw all that aside. Let's grab all this. Let's take a look at the headphones. Alright, let's take a look at the headphones. So, they come in black with a little bit of red on the sides, and nicely padded ear cups, Sony branding on either side, metallic looking band on the top that tracks fingerprints like crazy. It says wireless, and then NFC tag right there. If your phone has NFC, you can use that to pair to these headphones. And then one side on the right is the volume up and down, and then play pause if you press it. If you flick it forward, skip forward, flick back, skip back a song. It's pretty cool. And then on the other side, power button with an LED, another LED, bass boost button, and then micro USB for charging, and 3.5mm input if you want to use these wired, which you can, and then the mic. Yeah, so these look really good. They feel super premium, and they're nice and comfortable, and they block out quite a bit of noise, which is always good. Yeah, let's test out the sound. Alright, so let's pair these up and test them out. So, power them on by holding the power button for a few seconds, and you'll hear a voice prompt saying that power is on, and there'll be an LED that's flashing, and then that shows that it's scanning for devices. And if I go into Bluetooth, turn it on, I already have these paired, so I'll just select them. MDR XB9, connected for call and media audio. Yeah, so they're connected. Yeah, so left and right. time sync. Alright, so I'm going to use my usual test song for testing headphones. That's Forgot About Dre by Dr. Dre from 2001 The Chronic. So that's about 50% volume. There it is. So I'm going to turn the bass boost off and see if that makes a difference. So even with the bass boost off, they still sound pretty bassy, which is good. And then if I turn the bass boost on, yeah, so without the bass boost on, they sound really bassy and they're nice and loud, even at 50% volume. And turn them off, they get really loud. And if you turn the bass boost on, the bass gets crazy, and you can feel it like rumbling your head, which is really awesome. And yeah, so far I really like these headphones. They're super comfortable. I wore them for a whole 7-hour drive yesterday. On the way back from Montreal after visiting my cousins for Christmas, and they were awesome, and I was able to get 3 days worth of battery out of them because I opened them up on Christmas and used them quite a bit on Christmas, then the next day, and then they died at about 6:30 yesterday when I was on my way home. Yeah, so super great battery life, super great headphones. Let's keep it moving. Alright, so before we go, I'm gonna test them wired with the cable that came in the box, just to see if that makes any difference with loudness or bass or whatever. Plug it straight in, into my phone, no dongle, it's always good. Alright, some song, some volume, all that. Try them out. So with the cable connected, I think they sound quieter, but I think the bass is a little stronger. So it'll just depend on whether you want to use them wired or wireless, depending on where you are. So like if you're on a train, for example, I would say use them wireless because they're a little louder and block that noise a little better. But if you're just at home, just like hanging out, use them wired if you want. But either way, they sound really good, and I'd say they're definitely worth the $250. Yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. And yeah, I'll be back more soon. Peace.